Hellboy, 32 counts, 4 walls, high improver, low intermediate. Weight on the left. Section 1. Shuffle to the right, back rock. 1 and 2, 3, 4. 2 side touches, touch across. 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. Shuffle to the left. 1 and 2, back rock. 3, 4. Kickball cross. 5 and 6. Start a rolling full turn. Quarter back, half forward, facing 3. That was count 7, 8. Section 3. Complete the rolling full turn. Quarter, stomp, hold. 1 hold 2. Behind side cross. 3 and 4. Side rock, recover quarter. 5, 6. Facing 9 o'clock. 2 walk. 7, 8. Section 4. Cross hold, 1 hold 2. Side heel hold, 3 hold 4. Ball crawl side and 5, 6. Sailor half cross. 7 and 8. Facing 3 o'clock. And start again or doing the tag. Tag, total 16 counts. Tag happened twice. The first time after wall 1, facing 3 o'clock. All steps are single count. Wind to the right with hitch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hip bumps, left, right, left, right. 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag section 2. Rolling wind. 1, 2, 3, brush 4. Jazz box with cross. 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the end of the tag. Whole dance count. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wall 2, full wall. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Wall 3, 24 counts, restart. Wall 3, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Restart. You will do another 3 full wall, wall 4, wall 5, wall 6. Wall 7, 24 counts plus tag. Wall 7, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1 hold 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tag 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You will do another 3 full wall, wall 8, wall 9, wall 10. The last wall starts facing 6 o'clock. 16 counts to the ending. Last wall, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. To finish at 12 o'clock, half turn back, quarter side, and raise your right arm. End of the whole dance.